Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Dear students, in previous lesson we learn from alif to dad. In today's lecture, inshallah, we will start from the word ta. So the first word of the today's lecture is ta. What is the articulator of ta? The articulator of ta is as it is the articulator of ta and dal. The tip of the tongue, when we put the tip of the tongue on the gums of the upper two teeth, then ta will be produced. Okay, this is the articulator of ta, and ta is from mustali letter. It means we pronounce ta in bolder tone. Okay, not ta. This is incorrect. In bolder tone. Okay, we fill our mouth with the sound of, with the tone of ta, like that. Ta. Repeat it after me. Ta, ta, not in lighter tone, ta. This is incorrect way. Okay, we have to bolder our tone, bolder our voice. Ta, ta, ta. This is the correct way to pronounce ta. Okay, the next letter is ra. Okay, it has a dot on it. This is the difference between these two. And the articulator of za is as it is the articulator of sa and dal. From the upper part of the tongue, when it touches the edges of the upper two teeth. Okay, we have to bring out our tongue little, and then we touch the upper tip of the tongue on the edges of the upper two teeth, and then we have, inshallah, the articulator of ta, and then we pronounce this letter. Okay, this letter is also in sky blue color. It means we will pronounce this letter in bolder and thicker tone, because this color, sky blue color, indicates that it is from mustaliya letter. Okay, we pronounce this letter like that: ra, ra, ra. Okay, you have to take care of that. When you pronounce this letter, there should be no strongness in voice, but politeness in your tone. You have to pronounce this letter in thicker and polite tone. Okay, like that. Ra, ra, ra. Okay, the next letter is ain. The articulator of ain is from the middle part of the throat. It is throatical letter. There are three parts of throat: upper, middle, and lower. Ain and ha. These two letters are pronounced from the middle part of the throat. Okay, not ain, not ain. This is incorrect. We have to squeeze our tone. We have to squeeze this letter from the middle part of the throat with a full effort. You have to put an effort to pronounce this letter, like ain, r, r, r. This sound. Ain, ain, ain. This is the correct way to pronounce ain. And the next letter is ghain. The difference between these two letters is that this ghain has a dot on top of it, and the ain has no dot. The second difference is that ain will be pronounced in lighter, and ghain is from letter mustaliya. This letter will be pronounced in thicker tone. That's why you will pronounce this letter ghain in thicker and bolder tone. Okay, this the articulator of this letter is from the upper part of, from the first part of, from the top part of the throat. Ghain and kha, these two letters has same articulator. Okay, so repeat it after me. Ghain, ghain, gha, gha, ghain. You have to pronounce like this. Ghain, not gain, gain. This is incorrect. You have to rotate the sound in your mouth. When you pronounce this letter, the sound, the tone will remain in mouth and rotate in the mouth. Okay, like that. Ghain, and the bolder. Ghain. And the next letter is fa. This is very easy. It is in black color, it means it's not from letter mustaliya. We will pronounce this fa in lighter tone. Okay. The articulator of fa is from the wet part of the lips and from the edges of the upper two teeth. Upper front two teeth edge, when this edge touch the wet part of lip, then this letter fa will be pronounced. Okay. First of all, put the edges of upper front two teeth on the wet part of the lips and then pronounce this letter like fa, fa, fa. Okay, this is our today's lesson. Inshallah, we will meet in the next lecture. Assalamu alaikum.